Welcome. If you've been wondering how to unfollow someone directly from their profile page on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC, you're in the right place. The latest update has made the process even smoother, and I'm going to walk you through each step so you can manage your follows quickly and easily. First, open the X app on your desktop. If you don't have the app installed, you can also use x.com through your browser. It works just the same. Once you're logged into your account, you'll see your home feed filled with posts and updates from accounts you follow. Next, head over to the profile page of the account you want to unfollow. You can do this by typing their username into the search bar at the top of the screen, or by clicking their name anywhere it appears on your feed. Now that you're on their profile, look just to the right of their profile picture and bio. You'll see a button that says Following. This tells you that you're currently following that account. To unfollow, simply click the Following button once. When you click it, you'll notice the button instantly changes to Follow Again. That means you've successfully unfollowed the account. It's that simple, no extra pop-ups or confirmation boxes in this new update. If at any point you change your mind, you can always click Follow Again to reconnect with that account. Managing your follows has never been easier with this streamlined layout. To recap, open the X app on your PC, go to the account's profile page, and click on Following to switch it to Unfollow. With these quick steps, you can easily tidy up your feed and keep your following list exactly how you like it. And that's it. You've just learned how to unfollow directly from someone's profile page on X using your PC. Try it out right now and see how simple it is to keep your timeline fresh and tailored to your interests.